I'm looking at a rusted hose coming from the holding tank in a forward bilge through the bulkhead wall. See that black hose with the rust on it? That's the wire reinforcement that's rusting. Coming along here, you can see the black hose with rust.
I can't see it from here.
Okay, I'll show you the video when I come up.
Okay.
See the black hose with the rust? And follow the hose outboard there. See the black hose with the rust on the deck there? And then coming up, it makes a little U and goes overboard. Just coming on board this boat, I'm guessing that is an air vent. Let me get a little bit closer with the camera and you can see how bad the wire reinforcement is in that hose, and I'm afraid to touch it. If we touch it, it might start leaking sewage. So this is definitely an item on our repair list. Looking back over here, see the wires? And over there, look at all of that. So this is black water sewage, so this hose must be changed. If you got any more questions about maintenance on your boat, ask Captain Chris.